How to get a refund on Apple App Store purchases. Let's get started. First up, launch your App Store. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on that. The fun options will appear. Navigate to the option Purchase History. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the apps that we have purchased. Now, how can you get refund for it? For that, close this, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in reportaproblem.apple.com and then search for it. You will be directed to this kind of page where you'll need to provide your Apple ID's credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this page. What can we help you with? Click on this drop down and select the option of Request a Refund. Now click on this drop down. Now here you have to select the reason why do you want refund. Then click on Next. Now in this page you're gonna find all the purchases you have made. You have to click on the item for which you wanna request a refund. Click on it and provide all the details. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be good to go. This way you can easily get a refund on Apple App Store purchases. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.